Hey everyone, Rob.Games here. If you're using Windows 11 and you feel like your PC or laptop isn't running as fast as it should be, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you some of the best tips and tweaks to optimize your system for better performance. Whether you're a gamer looking to boost FPS, a content creator needing a smoother workflow, or just someone who wants a snappier experience, I've got you covered. We'll go over essential settings, background processes to disable, and even some hidden tricks that can make a huge difference. And don't worry, all of these tweaks are safe, easy to follow, and won't require complicated software. So if you're ready to make Windows 11 run faster and smoother, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips. Let's dive straight in. So number one, turning on accelerated GPU. So first we'll go to Windows, we'll go to Settings, go to System, and go to Display. And then we're going to scroll down to the Graphics tab, which is right here. And then we're going to go to Change Default Graphics Settings. And this is always off. So on my screen I've turned it on. So this is the one you want to leave on. So the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Reduce latency, improve performance. Optimize for Windows games. I don't need that. I don't play for that Windows games. So yes, that's number one. So number two, we're going to remove unwanted apps. So back into the settings again, Windows settings. We're going to scroll down to apps. First off, we're going to go through this whole list. We'll just go to installed apps. And you don't realize how many apps you have. I think every 6 months now I go through, delete ones that I don't want anymore. I'm probably going to delete Epic. I don't need to use Epic anymore, so remove Epic. So just go through. A lot of the Windows ones you can't remove for obvious reasons, because they belong to Microsoft. So just delete Epic, go away. And all these other ones you can just delete. Anything that you don't use, yes, uninstall. Instagram, probably get rid of. A lot of these are just 200 kilobytes. There's not really many. So yeah, just go through the whole list, and then we'll go back and go to default apps. You can delete some of these ones that you don't need anymore. Obviously, the ones that are Windows you have to keep. So we'll keep all that. So yeah, that should be remove all the apps. Next, we're going to remove the startup apps as well. So startup apps decrease the amount of time the PC will take to turn on. So if your PC is taking 2 minutes to turn on, some of these apps are slowing you down. So back to the apps menu. And down the bottom is startup. And then all you have to do is turn off the ones you don't want. So Google Chrome I can leave on. Logitech I'll keep on. Steam. Windows security, obviously the Corsair stuff, I'll leave that stuff on, but all the other stuff like the Copilot, 365, Edge, all that can be turned off. It's all useless for me. So number three, we're going to be going into the privacy and security tab. So back into the settings again, Windows, settings, go to privacy and security. And when your PC has a lot of the stuff running in the background, it slows your PC down. So we'll go through the app permissions and then go to locations. I turn all of this off, apart from allows apps to remote. Yes, I'll leave that one on. But the rest of these I turn off. Camera, I don't have a webcam yet, so maybe 10,000 subscribers. Face view. But none of those are turned on. So just go through each one of these. Microphone I don't touch, voice activation I don't touch. Notifications you can leave on. But if you want to turn them off, that'll save you some speed as well. So just go through, it's a bit time consuming, but go through each of these tabs and just turn off things that you don't use. So for number four, this is for all the gamers out there. A little setting that helped improve FPS for actually like good 10 to 15% of my FPS is from this one. So we need to go back into settings again. And we're going to go to gaming and scroll down to game mode and just make sure this game mode is on. I've been playing for a good 9 months and didn't even know it was until I looked it up. Yeah, so make sure this gaming is optimizes your PC to play games when it needs to and turns off other things in the background. So yes, it's always by default, it's always off. So make sure that's turned on. And number 5, lucky last, is the removal of the temporary files. So we need to go to here. We can just type in run. And then just type in %temp % and go OK. Open this up, see all these files and stuff. So just drag click. You won't be able to delete all of them. Some of them might need to. Yes, yeah. So some of these you can't delete. Obviously they've been used by something. So yeah. So just go skip. Go do for all current items. Skip. So that's deleting all the temporary files. And then there's another one. Just go to run again and just type in temp without any of the % symbols. So go OK again, and you can just delete these ones as well. Delete. Skip for all. Yep, and just delete all that. And then yeah, I like to restart the computer and then start again, and then that should be it. I hope that helped you out on your PC is running a lot smoother and more responsive now. Let me know in the comments if it drastically improved or even just 10%, small amount. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.